In this video, I will be cooking with my son Leo, a simple recipe of delicious cookies. A fun and creative activity that you can do on a cold winter day. Hello everyone! At the moment, it's school holiday in Australia, winter school holidays, so we're gonna be cooking with Leo.
Wow! Surprise! Hello, my name is Leo, and today's news we're gonna be cooking cookies!
This is the list of ingredients for the biscuit base. For the topping, the limit is your imagination. But I will show you in this video 3 versions that works really well and are easy to do. Let's not make Leo wait any longer and dive into it. You can put the butter and the sugar together.
So first the butter or first the sugar?
Whichever. But take the bowl.
Oh,
All in, huh?
fit.
All in. Good.
What's vanilla? Wait, can I put it inside?
Yes, 1 second.
No. Wait, I want to put everything inside.
Do everything together.
Finally,
Très bien.
I get to sail around the world. To switch around the world. Look,
Oui.
what if I accidentally put eggshells?
It's gonna be okay.
Here comes the eggie.
Très bien.
Can I put eggshells?
Non, t'as fait très bien. Tu peux le mettre là dans le bol s'il vous plaît.
Wait,
Very
is it? Oh no, I accidentally put an eggshell.
Pick it up, please. Je sais pas. Très bien.
Told you.
Very good.
Scooey Louie. Well, scooeyest scoo in the world. It's like we're making gooey.
You add the flour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of it?
Do half and then we put the other half. Is that half?
No.
Aïe aïe aïe. So now?
Oh, can I mix?
Ouais.
Yeah. It's really hard.
Very good.
Wait, to make cookies, does it have to be hard? Also, can I lick the spoon? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, so the dough is together, but it's crumbly. Don't want to overwork it. We're gonna make some small balls. Try to make all the same, yeah? Et tu les roules comme ça un peu. Just like this, okay? Tu fais avec moi? Yeah. After that love story with this beautiful red spatula, it's time to garnish our biscuit. Today we are doing 3 versions. First, an apple and caramel one. In order to make it, just slice some apple and garnish your biscuit with them. Why not add some pecan nuts too? We'll put the caramel after the cooking process. For the dark chocolate version, very simply chop some chocolate of your choice and mix it through the dough. Make sure to keep some big chunk, it is delicious. And last but not least, my favorite, the cherry jam and almond version. For this one, just cut some almonds roughly and insert them through your dough. I will show you when to add the jam a bit later. Now cool down your biscuit in the fridge for an hour. When your dough is ready, turn on your oven on 180 degrees. Cook the biscuit for about 12 minutes. Your goal here is to have crunchy edges and a soft heart. For the jam version, after 6 minutes, take your biscuit out of the oven and add some jam in the center. In summer, I even add some fresh berries on top. Half cooked, blending with the jam, it is to die for. I hope you and your family enjoy this recipe. Please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel, and I will see you very soon. Ciao ciao.